Hello, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to be reading you a story and then asking you some questions. So, our story today is titled Leaves. This story is written by David Ezra Stein. So the story is called Leaves. And they have a dedication for them. It says, "For my mother, a bear of great heart and an exceptional human being." It was his first year. Everything was going well. Until the first leaf fell. "Are you okay?" he wondered. Then a red one fell, a yellow one fell. All over his island, the leaves were falling. So you can see this story uses a lot of illustrations to really show how that bear is feeling and what's going on in that story. You can see right now he's kind of observing and looking at all the leaves falling. So you can see that there's a lot. He tried to catch them and put them back on, but it was not the same. He sat beneath a tree and watched them go all around, but he grew sleepy, and so he found a hole and filled it with leaves. And went to sleep just as the wind began to blow. Winter came. So you can see that that's where he's hibernating. Now it's completely covered in that snow. He slept in the ground while the snow piled thick. In the spring, with wide eyes, he woke. He felt the sun and saw the little buds on the bare arms of the trees. And the tiny leaves that had begun to unfold. Oh, begun to unfold. I'm sorry. I read began, begun to unfold. "Welcome," he cried. And he thought the leaves welcomed him. The end. So that was a pretty short story today. The question that I have for you is, what season are we in right now? And how do you know? What can you tell me about looking outside that you know what season it is? And if you're a little confused, talk to your family about that. See what they say. All right, I'm excited to hear your responses. Thank you.